I gave up my name the moment I wore this uniform. Out here, you are a person. You are ordered ready to be carried out. You think this is about guns, war, glory? No. This is about the moments where your hands keep shaking or you pull the trigger. I have seen men beg, strong men cry, and the ones who survived, we don't come back, oh. But listen to me. If I give up today, I give up knowing that I did it wrong. I didn't freeze. And I didn't abandon my units. So if you think you are waiting for fear to disappear, then you don't belong here. Because where there is no sound, no mercy, we move with boldness.